Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here with a vlog style type of day because I just feel like I haven't really talked to y'all like I do the DIYs and all of that good stuff, but sometimes it's just best to come and chit chat face to face. So how are you? We're good. Say hi, Christian. We are on the way to take him to school. Antonio actually has the day off today. It's Friday. So we get to hang a little bit, mommy and daddy.
Where we going?
We're going to vote. Did y'all vote yet? Because we're going to vote. We're doing early voting.
Mommy, don't do it. No, I won't
But
do it.
it's too heavy. You can't pull it by yourself.
I can't.
Hey.
Here.
That's your class? Here. Bye. $5.
How much?
$5. Look at how heavy it is though.
Oh, it's a huge Reese's stuff.
It's a giant.
So we are waiting for our table. We're in Cracker Barrel. Y'all look, I want all of these. I want all of these. So nasty. Can you buy me these, Tonio? Peppa Pig. Can you buy me these? I want all.
Right, so they'll be around the house everywhere.
Fat Daddy would love these. Oh, y'all, look. Look at this. Tonio, now that's cute.
What?
Look how they got the plane flying around it. Oh, we gotta do that. We gotta do it. Now that is cute. You don't like it? I already know what you're gonna say. That's too much. It got too much stuff on it. That's too much going on. He does. Tonio, every time I show you a tree like that, you hate it.
Everybody, we don't want no girly Christmas tree.
What do you mean? Okay, it's a little girly, but more than it's like Candyland, right? It's a Candyland tree. Tonio, this is so cute. Now say this not cute though.
That's me. It's me.
Do y'all come to Cracker Barrel to eat, or do y'all actually look at all the toys and stuff? I actually come in the little toy section and look around because they got some of the cutest stuff. Like we got this at the house. This just brings me back to my this brings me back to my childhood. Oh my gosh. I know everybody had one of these. I did. If you was an 80s baby, you had one of these. You had the Sensei. A light bright. If you were an 80s baby, you definitely had a light bright. Okay, y'all, I'm done.
Care Bear.
Oh my gosh, the Care Bears.
I hate them things.
Why? Tonio, how could you hate the Care Bears?
It's a cartoon.
Tonio, how you hating on Care Bears? They were so sweet.
Early cartoon. Where's He-Man?
I know He-Man up in here. We got Care Bears. Y'all, the food is here. Time to grub out. Breakfast was the bomb. Now we're about to go over to I think Ross just trying to find Fat Daddy some pants. Well, we can try Carter's, but I'll get him some pants because he's outgrowing his stuff so fast. And then after that, it'll probably be time to go pick him up. We can walk over to Carter's. Yeah, we're gonna walk. Carter's is literally right there. Here they come. Hey! Hey, buddy.
Your food.
Oh yeah, we got you some food. How was school?
Good.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you got something from the treasure box?
No, Kate. My friend Kaylee got me this.
Oh, let me see. You know what it's called?
No.
Well, not a, I was gonna call it a bazooka. What's this? Let me see. It's a little play,
Corn.
a little flute.
Oh, it's crap.
This thing is ragged. All right, y'all, we made it back home. We did get Christian some stuff. We got him some stuff from Carter's, and then we went over to Ross and got some stuff. You gonna model it? You gonna model it for them? All right. Show over.
Mommy,
Christian.
can I eat the butter?
Look, he already naked, y'all. Can you what?
Can I eat the butter?
Yes, eat the butter. Mm-hmm. If any of y'all want to hire my baby for modeling, he's available. Contact me. My contact information is in the description box below.